I, on behalf of Indira Gandhi National Open University Regional Center, Bijapur, heartily welcome today's resource person, Dr. Lakshmi Madam from Headquarters School of Health Sciences. I welcome you, Madam. And our program in Dr. Satish N from Vijaypura Regional Center. I heartily welcome you, sir. And
Namaskar,
all the
Satish.
learners across the country. CNIN program, CHBHC program, CMCHN, and CHC. Across the country, I heartily welcome for today's induction meeting. As you are aware, Indira Gandhi National Open University provided a chance as a nodal regional center for these 4 certificate programs to regional center Bijapur, Karnataka. I, on behalf of RC Bijapur, once again welcome for today's induction meeting. I request our today's resource person, Lakshmi Madam, to take the session. Madam, please, Madam.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. And I congratulate RC Bijapur for conducting for the nodal center for these 4 programs of nursing discipline. And again, I will be thankful to Dr. Satish, sir, who is the program in charge and managing this program through the approved academic counselors. So thank you, sir. So dear learners, you all have enrolled in our certificate program. So let me just briefly, I will go first about the program, the detail of the program, then how we do it, and then we will move on to the strategy for submitting the assignment, like IGNOU we follow, and then theory examination and evaluation strategy. Learners, please, if you can also respond in between. This Noor Madan, Akshata Tar, they are the learners, I think. Okay. So who all are there for CNIN program?
Madam, CNIN only one student is there, Madam.
She is there? Okay. So,
Madam, actually we have not given audio and video rights to the learners.
Okay.
Because some
no,
incidents happened
no
earlier,
problem.
Madam.
No problem. So I will start with the CNIN and CHBSC. CHBSC program students are there. These are our 2 programs which we offer to the nurses. Those who are having the GNM diploma or the BSc nursing, this is the specialized continuing nursing education program. So I will just share with you the my screen is visible?
Yes, madam, is visible.
Can you see on the screen?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, Madam.
This is certificate in home-based program. Certificate in home-based program, you have taken admission, those learners. This is a 14 credit program. In IGNOU, we use the terminology credit. Credit is student study hours. Like 1 credit is equal to 30 hours. So this program is of 14 credits, in which 4 credit is for theory course. There is 1 theory course, home-based care. So in this theory course is of 4 credit, and there is 1 practical course, that is a skill related to home-based. This is practical course of 10 credit. You can see the maximum weightage is for practical, 10 credit. And for theory, You will be having the online classes which will be organized by academic counselor under the supervision of Dr. Satish sir, who is your program coordinator. So one thing you should understand, all of you, that your nodal RC to provide student support is RC Bijapur. Okay, and you will be informed about your theory classes which will be online, which will be conducted by the PIC and academic counselors under the PSC under RC Bijapur. Okay, so for this theory course you will be having the classes, and for this practical courses you will have to undergo you will have to complete self activities and supervised activities, which I will share here. Screen is visible?
Yes, madam, visible, but it is short, madam.
It is short.
Yes, madam.
Okay, let me just again stop presenting, and again I will share entire screen. Share. Oh, it is visible.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
This home-based program, it is for the learners who are 10th pass. My screen
Madam, it is black, madam.
it is black. Now it is visible.
Visible, please enlarge, madam.
Okay.
Maximize, madam. Now, okay, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
The objective of this program is to describe the roles and responsibilities. Today, actually, this is for academic counselor. This is not, sorry. Okay, this home-based program is in theory course you will be having 4 modules which you have to read thoroughly, and when you will have a theory context session you can clarify your doubt from academic counselors. Okay, and in the practical manual there will be self activities and supervised activity which you will have to do at your home setting, because the activities are planned like that you can perform in your home setting, and the supervised activities which will be conducted under supervision of academic counselors, which will be organized at your program study center. So you have to understand here, theory counseling will be online, which will be organized by a nodal RC, and the practical contact session you will have to go for face to face training. Anybody for home based program here in this group have taken admission in home based program? Okay, Sonali ji. So here you have to understand, for practical you will have to go to the program study center where you will be having the classes and the condensed practical training in which sessions will be organized, and you will have to complete your supervised activity. Okay. Any doubt?
Ma'am, what is the duration of the practicals?
I'm coming to that. Give me 2 minutes. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So you see, in your certificate in home-based program, this is the detail. In theory course, you have 4 blocks in which you will be learning in detail about the home-based care and how the home-based care provider should behave and do care during first aid and do care of elderly. And second block is for health conditions and problem. Majority of the people suffer in home setting and the home-based care. In practical manual, you see, you have 2 practical manuals. There are total 16 practical activities. Sonali, are you there with me, or all the learners of CHBSC? There are 16 practical activities. So you will have 16 practical contact sessions at the program study center. Okay. And the duration is of like one session is for 2 hours, and after that you will be performing. You will be informed by your academic counselors. Okay. That is a condensed theory practical theory contact session, in which all these 16 you will be taught how to do, like how to take history taking, how to do this housekeeping skills, how to maintain the patient care unit at home setting, and measurement of vitals. So it is clear to you. And in today's orientation, we are supposed to inform you all that theory will be through online, and for practical, you will have to do under the supervision of program like academic counselors. Then you will be submitting the that files to the academic counselors. Then you will have a practical examination. And for theory, you will have to submit the assignment to academic counselors, and then you will be appearing in university exam, which university conducts twice a year, in the month of June and in the month of December. You all have enrolled in January session. So if you complete the assignment, you attend the theory classes, so you will be eligible to appear in June term and examination. That detail we will discuss later. So home-based care, it is clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how many times do we have to visit the study center?
You see, the schedule that I will request Satish sir to inform. They make a schedule in a spell and in the consultation with the student only. Because
Yes. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We'll do.
Satish sir must be preparing the schedule for the students, those who are nearby, because it is face to face. So, Sonali, where you are residing? Hello? Home-based student, we are discussing at present home-based.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Noor Madan and I am residing in Karnal.
So you will be attached with the center, which is near under RC Chandigarh and all. That will be, that nitty-gritties. Dr. Rita Devi is a program coordinator. She will inform. Okay. The WhatsApp group Dr. Satish sir will make, and you can always share your queries there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have been emailing Rita ma'am for the inquiries, but my study center is in Noida.
No problem. You see, in IGNOU, the student take admission under RC any of the RC. You see, for theory, the university has designated nodal RCs like RC Bijapur. RC Bijapur has taken all these efforts to organize a meeting along with academic counselors. So you will be having theory contact session together. Noor Madan, you will have to attend the theory classes, which will be shared soon by Satish sir in a group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
After that, you will be informed practical training after that. First, you complete with the theory. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, secondly, we will move on to CASC program. CASC program students are there?
Yes, ma'am.
CASC program is for graduates and teachers, and for that RC Bijapur is a nodal center, and Satish sir is a program in charge, and we have an academic counselor there, Savitri ma'am and Mahesh sir. So all of you, please, we will make a WhatsApp group for all of you. In that WhatsApp group, you will be informed 24/7. And today or tomorrow, I will share the study material in the mail with all of you. And in that, you will be shared with the link to join the WhatsApp group. This message is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
please, all of you should open the mail ID which you have given in your registration data. So I will request RC Bijapur to share the data with me. So I will, sir.
Madam, actually we have not yet received the student data from SRD, madam.
Okay,
So
sir,
we
we
will
will work on it, sir.
Yes,
No
madam.
problem.
Okay, madam.
So, dear learners, we will get a data from the SRD and your registered email ID. You will be informed about the WhatsApp group link, and you will be provided with the study material. Because you see, this program we are providing all the support through virtual mode. Theory classes will be through virtual mode, organized by academic counselors, and in this particular program, the practical is also through virtual mode. So I will share with you the brochure. CASC program is for teachers and graduate, as I told you. The objective of this program to make you all aware about the growth and development of the adolescent, which we cover in theory course 1, and the issues and challenges faced by the adolescents and how the teachers and parents can help them is covered under theory course 2. My screen is visible?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this course, particular program, again, the objective is to strengthen your knowledge and understanding the need and concerns of adolescent, build the knowledge on physical, cognitive, and emotional development of the adolescent, and develop your skill how to handle the challenges, because challenges we are covering in theory course 2, and then identify your role in life skill education and counseling of adolescents. Okay, you will, in this program, there are 2 theory courses. Theory course 1 is fundamental of adolescent, and theory course 2 is issues and challenges of adolescent. You will be getting the study material through mail. As I told you, university is taking very nominal fees for this. Though this program was launched in year 2011, but due to some issues related to opening of program study centers and all, the program was kept on abeyance. And in year 2021, it was again relaunched with the implementation strategy that all the theory classes will be through virtual mode, and the practical contact session will also be through virtual mode, and approved academic counselors will be taking the session. In the beginning, the school was program study center. Now RC Bijapur is a nodal RC, and our PSC under RC Bijapur is taking care of it. And I am also in touch with the student in 24/7 through WhatsApp. Okay. So you see, this is a practical course. It is visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
There is one practical manual, and there are total 4 practicals. So here you should understand the practical one is focusing on health assessment. Second practical is assessment of specific problem. And third practical is problem solving, counseling with adolescent. And fourth practical is case study. Dear learners, in this practical course, it is only of 2 credit. Okay, what you are supposed to do, first you read the theory material thoroughly and you will have online counseling sessions. Then once you are clear with the concept which is being taught in the theory, in the practical you will be assessing the adolescent, and the guidelines are very much clearly given at page number 47 and 48 of practical manual, in which you will be selecting 4 adolescents, 2 adolescent boys and 2 adolescent girls. And then you will be assessing them with the help of performers. And then you, out of 4, if you will feel that one adolescent is having some specific issues related to, suppose, body image, related to growth and development, related to scholastic issues, that case you will be presenting as a case study. So it is a very, you can say, the work you have done and you have identified one adolescent, you will prepare a detailed case study and you will present. That will be your practical, the case study presentation under the supervision of academic counselor. This much is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
I will again brief. Theory course, 2 theory courses are there. For 2 theory courses, you will have classes. You will be submitting the assignment and you will appear in university exam if you are submitting the assignment in time, and fill the examination form in the June. If you are not able to complete in June, university will give you 4 chance, like maximum validity is 2 years. This message is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And for practical, you will have a you will have to do assessment of 4 adolescents, and 1 case study presentation you will have to do. And after completing that case study presentation, you will be eligible to appear in practical examination, which will be through virtual mode, but it will be live. You will be provided with the link for the presentation also. You cannot just send your recording. You will be prepared. We will make a group of 15 to 18 students, and your academic counselor will be there. You will present your case study. If any correction is there, any suggestions, so you will be provided with. And after that, you will be eligible for exam. And for exam also, you will be provided with the link. This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
So,
this
ma'am,
all,
exam will be, ma'am, just one thing. So, ma'am, exam will also be virtual,
yeah, practical exam.
practical. All right, all right, all right.
It will be viva. It will the examiner may ask you to present any of the activity, any that will be virtual. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything detail is given in this brochure also. I will share this brochure also along with the material. So this is
Hello,
with
madam.
for CASC program.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Madam, do we have to give our assignment directly to the RC center, right?
I'm
have to-
coming to that. I'm coming to that. That will be a common message.
Okay.
You see, the assignment which you will be preparing for your theory course, this is for all the students. You will have to submit to RC Bijapur. Am I right, sir?
Okay, yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Because
Okay,
your
madam.
theory and then they your assignment marks, the academic counselors will evaluate your assignments and they will submit the marks to the regional center.
Okay, madam.
Sir, this is the protocol we are following?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay. And for CASC program also, no matter you are registered in RC Noida, you are registered in anywhere, but RC Bijapur is a nodal center. So you will have to submit at the program study center under RC Bijapur. And for CASC program, we make a Google Classroom. Listen to you, all of you. We make a Google Classroom. You have to upload your original scan PDF on Google Classroom. That also link we will share you time to time in the mail only.
Do we have to give offline? Can we give it offline also?
You can give offline also, but again you will have to give to RC Bijapur only. But
Okay.
but
That
for the for smooth maintaining of data, for CASC program, we prefer that they should submit in the Google Classroom
Google Class. Okay.
also. You
Can we send it through? Can we send it through the post also?
Yes, you can send it through post to academic counselor under RCB. I will share the address of Savitri madam and Mahesh sir, who will be taking the classes.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Thank you.
That we will share in WhatsApp group.
Okay, madam.
Satish sir, it is okay?
It's okay, madam. No issue. And also we will give the email address also. Possible email and post also they will send. No problem. Madam.
So for all the programs which are under RC Bijapur taken care by Satish sir as a program in charge, so you can submit your assignment. Okay? And dear learners, this is not a first and last meeting. You will have to in touch with academic counselors, and during theory counseling sessions, you should be present. Attendance is mandatory. Okay? Now I will come. For CASC, the information is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Soon we will get a data, all your data, and we will send you the mail through you. And if you are not getting any mail, we please inform RC Bijapur that email ID you have, because we will send the mail to RC Bijapur. Then they can forward you the same. Is it okay, sir?
Yes, madam. No problem.
Because some of the students, they give any of the email ID. So if within this week, because it is a long weekend also, you can say if by 17th you are not getting any mail, so please write to RC Bijapur.
Sure, ma'am. And just
Okay?
one question, by when our WhatsApp groups will be formed?
WhatsApp group today we will form, but again the mail we will send after we get the data. Sir, today please we will
Yes,
try.
madam. Yes, madam. I'll discuss with the headquarters, madam. No issue.
Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
by 17th we keep it, Garima.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, because meanwhile, what you can do, you can go to eGyan Kosh. In eGyan Kosh, it is our all IGNOU study material is uploaded. Okay, for all the learners it is. When you will go to eGyan Kosh, there will be self-learning material option. Then once you will click the self-learning material, you will get the school name, School of Health Sciences. And under the School of Health Sciences, you will select your program, certificate program, and certificate in adolescent health and counseling. And if you are selecting certificate in home based care or CNIN, you will get material over there. You can download that material. Okay. Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
And it is in the app also, e-content app. Sir, e-content app is students are getting benefit of it. You can have the you can by Google's Play you can download the e-content app of IGNOU, and there all the study material is available. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So now the program related information for CNIN, for CASC, CHBSC, and now we will move on to CNIN and CMCHN. CMCHN program is Certificate in Child Health Nursing, in which CNIN is Certificate in Neonatal and Infant Nursing, and CMCHN program is for These both programs are continuing nursing education program for the GNM diploma holder or nurse graduates. Okay. It is opening. Is it visible? Screen is visible?
Yes, madam.
CMCHN program is of 16 credit with 6 credit in theory and 10 credits in practical. The objective of this program is to update the knowledge and skills of healthcare provider in reproductive and child health and enable the healthcare provider to render effective healthcare and to mother and child. Okay. In this, theory context sessions are of 18 credit, which will be organized by PIC, Dr. Satish sir, through approved academic counselors. Okay. For 18 hours. And for practical will be, it is you see, the university has taken the step because all the students are in service nurses, so they can be posted in the clinical area of their own workplace and complete all the activities. IGNOU practical manuals are prepared like that, in which the guidelines are there for all the practicals, so that practicals can be performed at their work setting. For that, they have to select a mentor who is fulfilling the eligibility criteria, and they will send the biodata of that mentor to RC Bijapur, and then they will approve that RC biodata through program coordinators at headquarters. So that person can be the mentor of the student. Like only one student is there. For CMCHN program, only CNIN one student is there. For one student, it will not be a cost effective. And because we appoint an academic counselor or the clinical supervisor for student of 10. If we less than 5 students are there, the university cannot offer, because keeping the cost effectiveness in mind. So this revised implementation strategy has helped the learner to complete the program at their work setting. So who is CNIN student? Neelam Saini? Hello?
CMCHN, ma'am.
CMCHN. So a strategy for CMCHN is also same. You can, where you are working, Neelam Saini ji?
Ma'am, I am working in DDU Hospital, New Delhi.
So in your own hospital, you can select a mentor in coordination with Dr. Rita ma'am. She is a program coordinator. The biodata you will send to RC, where you are registered, under RC Delhi 1 or 2?
Ma'am, under 1.
So you will be sending your biodata of mentor in RC Delhi 1. There the approval you will sort, and then you can complete all your practical activity under the mentorship of the mentor. Okay?
Okay.
You will have to complete your logbook, workbook, whatever is there, and you will have to submit to the duly signed by mentor. You will have to submit to the Rita ma'am, and then your examination will be organized. So for CMCHN,
one more question, ma'am. Actually, I was not knowing that I have to submit my all assignments to the RC Bijapur. This is my first time from IGNOU, and I have submitted the original assignments before 10 to 15 days earlier to Delhi 1.
No
center.
problem. That assignment will come to headquarters, to the school, and we will send to Bijapur. No problem.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. I'm having photocopy of that assignment also.
No, photocopy will not go. Either you write to the RC, mail to RC where you have submitted, please facilitate and send the assignment to headquarters, because then Dr. Rita ma'am will send it to the RC Bijapur.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, my request to all of you that RC Bijapur is your nodal center for organizing theory contact session, which will be through online mode. Is this message is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Second message, you will be informed with the schedule and the classes will be organized. It is requested you all to attend as per the schedule. Okay?
Okay.
And submit the assignment if you want to now we will come to the examination part. Program related information is over. Anybody wants to know anything related to the program?
Then how many theory classes will be scheduled?
That dear that you suggest for example 18 hours. Just now I have said 18 hours for theory. So the one theory contact session is for 2 hours, so 9 sessions. Okay, you go through the brochure. For a 10% minimum of hours we give to the online theory counseling. That is not your headache. Okay, but still it is good that you should know. For that, for example, for a CASC program, we have 2 theory courses. Each course is of 4 credit. 4 credit means how many student hours? 120 hours. It is clear? And for 120 hours, if we take a 10%, only 12 hours. And 12 hours is one is for 2 hours. Session is of 2 hours, so that means 6 sessions. So RCB, and in dear learners, we sometimes give you the recorded session also, which we have got it from the expert. So that recorded session you will be going through. Okay, that will be also considered. And if you have any doubt, you can clarify. So schedule will be shared by PIC. Okay. This is for theory. And for practicals, for CASC, practical will be organized by RC Bijapur only, because it is through virtual mode. For other programs, you will have to go do face-to-face, because certificate in neonatal nursing, it is the practical skills which we have to do on the human being. So you have to do on face-to-face. That is under mentorship. And CMCHN also. And CHBSC also. There is a condensed theory contact session. 16 sessions you will have to attend under the mentorship, because at the PSC, in which you will be demonstrated with the skills. You will have to do the written demonstration. What all activities? Suppose how to do the bed making. They are 10th pass student. They do not know how to take a vitals, how to check a temperature, how to feed the elderlies. Okay, how to do the back care. All the procedures will be taught and will be taken written demonstration. Then the person will be efficient to perform all those procedures in their home setting, in their neighborhood, and then they will be completing it. Okay. Now,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
yes,
मैम हमें एक डाउट था, जैसे हम CHPSC कोर्स में हैं तो हम जॉब
Yes.
करते हैं, तो क्या हम जॉब में कोई मेंटर चूज करके वहीं पर ही प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं?
आप नहीं सर, आपको ये 16 कॉन्टेक्ट सेशंस तो सर अटेंड करने ही पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज अब वो कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज होंगे वो डॉक्टर रीटा मैम आपको बता देंगी कि क्योंकि उसमें हम ये सारी स्किल्स सिखाते हैं. ओके. हर्ष, आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? हर्ष जी,
करनाल के पास है मैम ये.
हाँ, तो डोंट वरी, यू विल बी फैसिलिटेटेड एज पर योर कन्वीनियंट फॉर द प्रैक्टिकल.
ओके मैम.
The strategy of the IGNOU is like that. For the theory, only one center is there. You will have to attend theory counseling. It is through virtual mode. Need not to go anywhere. For the practical, if it is face to face, you will have to. आपको उनके mentorship के में ही करनी पड़ेगी. ओके. अच्छा, अब हम बात करते हैं, ये जो सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम ऑफ इग्नू जो होता है वो 6 महीने के होते हैं. इट इज ऑफ 6 months, बट द वैलिडिटी इज ऑफ 2 years. 6 month मिनिमम वैलिडिटी है. अगर आपने जनवरी में 25 में एडमिशन लिया है और आपने क्लासेस अटेंड की और आपने असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर दिया और आपने फीस भर दी एग्जामिनेशन की, तो आप जून में एग्जाम दे सकते हैं, तो आपका उसमें कंप्लीट हो जाएगा 6 मंथ में। अगर आपने नहीं दिया है एग्जाम किसी कारणवश, कोई प्रॉब्लम है या आपने तैयारी नहीं की है, तो नेक्स्ट यू कैन अपीयर इन December 25। स्टिल इफ आप फेल हो गए तो या आपने नहीं एग्जाम दिया तो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, यू विल complete in another 2 attempts. So maximum validity is for 2 years. This message is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now for examination, you will have to pay the examination fees. For that, online portal link is available on IGNOU website. If you have decided that you will submit the assignment and will appear in theory examination, then you can fill the form and appear for the same. Okay. Now we will come to the evaluation strategy. असाइनमेंट के कितने नंबर होते हैं, टर्म एंड एग्जाम के कितने होते हैं, आपको इंटरनल असेसमेंट का मीनिंग पता है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
कॉलेज में होते हैं तो इंटरनल, या स्कूल में होते हैं जो हम असाइनमेंट सबमिट करते हैं उसको उसकी एक वेटेज होती है। ऐसे ही यूनिवर्सिटी में 30% वेटेज है आपके असाइनमेंट के मार्क्स की। ओके। एंड जो टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन के जो यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम होता है, जो आपको सेंटर में एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर में जाके देना है, उसकी वेटेज होती है 70%। ये मैसेज क्लियर है?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ फॉर द प्रैक्टिकल में हमारे 2 कंपोनेंट होते हैं, एक सेल्फ एक्टिविटी, एक सुपरवाइज्ड एक्टिविटी। सेल्फ एक्टिविटी जो आप अपने आप करते हैं अपने वर्क प्लेस पे या अपने नियर बाय, सपोज होम बेस्ड में, वो ऐसी एक्टिविटीज होंगी कि भाई कंपनी बात कैसे करना है, और गाइडलाइन सब कुछ दी हुई है, तो वो एक फाइल आप बनाते हैं, और एक फाइल बनाते हैं सुपरवाइज्ड एक्टिविटी की। तो इन दोनों फाइलों में मार्क्स आपको मिलते हैं जिसकी वेटेज 25% है, और जो फाइनल प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन होता है उसकी वेटेज 50% होती है। ये प्रैक्टिकल का वेटेज है। ओके। सो और 90% जब तक आप अटेंडेंस नहीं होगी, अगर आपकी 16 क्लासेस है, 16 क्लासेस में आपकी अटेंडेंस कंपलसरी है। इफ यू हैव नॉट अटेंडेड द प्रैक्टिकल कॉन्टेक्ट सेशन, so you will not be eligible to appear in practical exam. In CASC, if you have not done the case study presentation, you will not be appearing in practical examination. So this is some benchmark which university has kept. It is not like that you have filled the examination form and then you will just submit your activity and you will get the awards. It is not like that. You will have to appear in final practical examination. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please provide the details about CHBHC course also?
CHBSC का बेटा मैंने बताया ना अभी कि आपकी 16 कंडेंस प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग होती है, क्लासेस होती हैं, उसके बाद आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटीज को सबमिट करना होता है, और फिर आपका उसके बाद फिर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होता है। ओके।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
For more detail, you can contact Dr. Rita ma'am. She is not available today, but she is always available for all the students. You must be having her number or email ID. Okay. For CSC
ma'am.
program, myself, Dr. Lakshmi is a program coordinator, and RC Bijapur is taking care of all the students of CHBSC, CNIN, CMCHN, who is also available 24/7 for the students. Our Satish sir is a program in charge. So all together, all of us together, we coordinate for all of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Ma'am, when are the theory classes and the practicals to be expected to be started?
You see,
For
by
CSC?
these two weekends are very long. We are like holidays. By 17th, we are expecting that we will make a we'll get your data. We'll make a WhatsApp groups, and side by side, Satish sir will prepare a schedule. And after, I think, sir, in the last week of April, we will be able to share the schedule. Satish sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Once I will get all the detail, so I will share also, madam. So this month of end we will complete, madam.
Okay, or mid of maybe
Ma'am,
we
once
like
the
we have a time.
schedule is be-
Yes.
Madam,
once the schedule
do we
is
have to
shared,
complete our practical into 6 months itself?
one by one, please speak.
Madam, do we have to complete our practical before June examination itself?
No, practical, you see, practical is not university exam, but practical is once, as I told you, once you will complete all the self activities, then only you will be eligible for examination. So it is you will be in touch with the academic counselor, and it is being conducted at PIC, at program study center. The date will be finalized and approved by a regional director, and there will be external examiner also. But the dates are fixed when we see the students have finished their activity. Okay.
If we cannot do before June itself, or I cannot attend, can we do it in the June next this 1 6 month, that is before December?
सर प्रैक्टिकल के लिए डेट फिक्स नहीं है, हो सकता है वो आपका एक्सटेंड जुलाई तक भी हो जाए, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.
But you will have to be in touch with academic counselor. Which program you are in?
CASC, madam.
CASC. तो no problem. CASC का तो हमारा first we will finish with theory. Okay. Then you will be taking, you will be submitting the assignment. Then you will be going into the area. You will be selecting 4 adolescents. Then you will submit your self activities. Okay. And but if you feel that you are submitting your self activity and supervised activity, so please fill the form for the practical. Otherwise, don't fill. Okay.
And for the practical
But
form,
theory you can complete. Yes.
For the practical examination, the form will be separate.
You see, we request student evaluation division to give some time, or we request them to release a separate link. But some students, if they are confident enough, that so they just fill with the theory also, and our academic counselors support them, because it is, you all are motivated learner. If you have submitted the self activity, if you have done your case study also, that also you have submitted. That is why we make a Google Classroom link. So we have a database that these many students have submitted. And you are in touch with academic counselor, with me. I will be also giving you the guidelines how you can complete. And if you are submitting, then we make a group of students for case study presentation. And after case study presentation, there will be examination. Akshata ji, it is clear?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I just wanted to confirm once again. The theory classes will be starting after April 30th. And the terminal and examination is scheduled for June 2nd. So during the month of May, the classes will be held probably in the first 2 weeks. Is that correct? And in case for the self-activity and supervised activity for the practicals, so is there a possibility that this they will extend beyond May, beyond the terminal and examination?
You see, for July 24 batch, I think this week we are organizing, sir, practical presentation next week. Because students, once we will have a students, then only we will organize the group presentations. Then we will. So don't worry for that, Akshata ji. First you focus, and it is not necessarily that the practical theory counseling can go up to in the mid-May also.
Okay, ma'am. Because I actually have a pre-planned activity in the last 2 weeks of May for community itself. So I was just worried about that only. Because I should not miss
Don't
the
worry,
practical.
it is like theory. We will complete the theory by mid-May. All the classes will be complete. You can prepare for your theory exam. Go through the material thoroughly. IGNOU material is written in the way that teacher is talking to you. Have you anybody read the IGNOU material?
Yes, ma'am. I have read some books of practicals and theory as well.
You see, you will feel that teacher is talking to you, and in the classroom, like teacher asks you the question, our IGNOU material is also ask you the question in the form of self-check. Check your progress.
Yes, ma'am. I have been doing the exercises, so that language is very easy to understand.
So my request to all of you, please go and read the material thoroughly And if you have any doubt, you note down that doubt and clarify during the contact sessions. Though in the contact session, we give the detailed information of the topics also. But if you will have a doubt, you all are motivated learner. You are teachers, you are graduate, you are nurses. Okay. And even though if you are 10th pass, but you IGNOU's learner is motivated learner. So we are there to support you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So in today's meeting, it is only a orientation. We are there for you. We will be organizing the another meetings in the form of theory counseling. You can clarify the specific program related practical related doubts during that theory counseling also. Okay, that will be separate. CSC student sessions will be separate. Home-based student sessions will be separate. Okay.
Ma'am, the visits for the practicals have to be discussed with Satish sir or Rita ma'am.
For home-based.
Yes, ma'am.
You are under sir dear practical तो आपको कंसर्न आरसी से आप कौन से आरसी में रजिस्टर्ड है
Ma'am, it's Delhi 1, Mohan Estate, South Delhi, and Essex Medical College and Hospital.
तो वो प्रैक्टिक ये जो आरसी बीजापुर और सतीश सर थ्योरी क्लासेस के लिए है
Okay, ma'am. So I have to coordinate with Rita ma'am.
रीटा मैम और आपका ईएसआई फरीदाबाद में आपकी क्लासेस होंगी प्रैक्टिकल की
Okay, ma'am.
This देखो for CSC program complete package is under RC Bijapur. So CSC student need not to go and submit anything to anywhere. It is clear? CSC students, but other student, home-based care student and CMCHN student, as the practical activities, you will have to deal with the human being and the procedures. So that you will have to do face to face. So please, you will be assigned with the LSC, Learner Support Center, where you will be completing your practical activity. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, so the objective of today's meeting is short. You are aware about the program information. You are aware about the evaluation methodology, theory and practical. And now you are aware about the practicals also. So this nodal RC Bijapur will be conducting the theory counseling through online mode, and soon you will be shared with the schedule. Sir.
Madam, thank you, madam. Satish sir, you want to say something, sir?
Very good afternoon, Lakshmi madam and Assistant Registrar Devendra sir and my dear students. So as madam already told regarding all the 4 courses, but one thing I would like to tell, as madam told, so once we will receive all the detail regarding the students, so hope we will after the 20 this month, so we will share the details like the Google link and whatever the link is there, you are going to go for the online mode. So and one thing, as ma'am told, so regarding the assignment, every time assignment some problem is there, so we will share our email ID as well as some Google Classroom also I will plan to make for the related to the other courses like ma'am created CHC. So others also I will make, and also I will send the email address of our PSC Study Center Bijapur BAD. So you also say there also, and hard copy also you can send. So it will be the better for us. And also as ma'am told, so before whatever the things is there, so we have you have to study and write down the whatever your problem is there. So it will be the easy to you understand, and also for us to easy to clarify all the doubts also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, just I want to add one more thing, madam, because as you are aware that before applying a term and examination, you have to submit your assignments. So the date of assignments already put it in checkbox. 20th April is the last date. So you please submit your assignments before the due date. Then only you are eligible to appear for the term and examination. You have to fill the term and examination form also. The link will be provided in the chat box. You please, for example, for course, 200 rupees fee will be there. So you have to fill it up before the 30th April. So 20th April and 30th April is the very important dates. So you submit assignment, then only you are eligible to appear for the term and examination. As Madam explained regarding the weightage, 30% weightage will be carried out for the assignments, and the remaining 70% weightage will be for the term and examination. So we are here always to provide a better student support services. No need to worry, because only 4 programs are giving to us. That too, CHC 54 students were enrolled, and CMCHN and CNIN a single digit is there. CHBHC 18 students were there. So no issue. So whenever you have any query, we are here. You please feel free to call us, and we have given our phone number and contact details also. And our PIC, Dr. Satish sir, will be creating a separate link for each program. So you can share your any query, we will solve immediately. I thank our Professor Lakshmi Madam for explaining in detail regarding all the program details and the how university will function also. I wholeheartedly thank you, Madam, and I sincere thanks to Dr. Satish sir, and I extend my thanks to all the learners who have attended this meeting. The recorded meeting will be put it if Madam permission given means we'll put it in our YouTube channel also.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Because
Yes.
you see, those who are not able to attend, they can see. And further, I will request you, sir, today or tomorrow. By tomorrow, I will prepare a mail if we get a data. So I will CC to you also. If any student ask you that they have not received the mail, then you can forward to those students also.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. The meeting record also will be put it on our social media platform also. Those we have absent, you inform your colleagues also, so that they can listen and watch the induction meeting program. If you have any doubts, please you can raise your hand. I request all to open their video cameras so that we will take one photo. Arun?
Dear learners, switch on your cameras. We want to see the beautiful faces of our students. Yes, Arun.
Arun, photo tagobanda?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Dr. R.N. Sharma ji, namaskar. So we will have a good journey. We will learn from each other. Sonali ji.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you, madam. Namaste.
Thank you.